This is just a laundry service brochure that's put through the door, or I think it's put through the door. As with everything on MSC, it's multilingual, but the prices, so yeah, alright, let's say t-shirt, shirt, so that's the top, second from the top, €4.90, €6.90. What else might you have? Underwear and socks, €1.90, oh, sorry, €2.90, €1.90. That includes washing and ironing of socks, which is quite impressive. You can get packages, but when you add it up, that's quite expensive. The second one to look at is the minibar. Again, I don't know, I've never been on a cruise before, but compared to street prices, beer, Heineken, €7, Beck's €7, that's a regular bottle.